Where you going, girlfriend? There's all these leftover treats. Or there were all these leftover treats. Who ate them? You want a treat? Yeah. Hi. Oh, big girl burps. That was a big girl burp. Hi. I know, you're very... Oh, you're gonna lick my bag? Oh, yeah? Another treat. What other ones you like? Oh, big girl burp. Want another one? Oh, it's sausage time.